Hey guys, welcome to the channel. This will be my first video on the channel with many more to come. Let me explain to you real quick what this channel is about. It is called Average Guy Review because I will review everything that the average person might want to see. Now, I'm not saying that so I have a wide range. I'm saying that because as an average guy, I use YouTube to find out what certain things are. Like if I'm thinking about buying a new car, I go to YouTube and watch car reviews. If I'm got a new laptop that I want, I watch the reviews on it. If it's a service I want, Sling or a new PlayStation or Comcast, and I'm like, I don't even know how this is gonna work. Review on YouTube. So what I want to do is make it a one-stop shop for everything you want to review. Now with that being said, welcome. Now, what are we going to review today? It is something out of the ordinary that I just had to show. It is called a Pix backpack. Now, you're like, P-I-C-K? No, it is P-I-X, pixelated backpack. That's not on the website from what I understand, but it is a thing. So with that being said, with all that is going on, let's go ahead and jump into this review and make it short and sweet. Thank you. And I'm back. So, just had to move the camera a little bit and get the backpack. So, as you can see, this is the Pix backpack. You see it on there, and it opens up. It's a backpack. Boom, blah, blah, blah. Good quality, great quality. This is built strong. This is like a laptop bag, but it got the squishy, supportive straps, but a little extra cushion. You can put a laptop back here. Yes, I know that it's very weird. Most ones are inside, but guess what? It's one on the inside too, right here. So you have two spots you could possibly put a laptop, maybe a tablet, and I guess their idea is that you should not be dropping this because of what it is. What is it? What is it? It is the best backpack for those who have a business or just like a lot of attention. So let's go ahead and plug it up. So right here, I have a 10,000 milliamp backpack. Well, not backpack, power bank. And I'm going to plug it up. Yeah, you got to plug it up. Not to the wall, but to a power bank. And you need to have at least 10,000 milliamps. So let's plug it up and get it started. See, it done already started. You see what you see? I told you, it wasn't a regular backpack. This is the real deal. Is it the best out there? Maybe, I don't know, but it is definitely the coolest. Now, why would I need this? Why would anybody need it? You wouldn't need this because, let me sit down and talk to y'all so I can really talk to you real quick. You will need this for no reason whatsoever. Now, what would you want it for? Everyday use if you have a business. As you can see, it goes through. This is a demo mode, so it's just showing you what you can do. You can have text scrolling across. You can do something like this that is just animated. They have plenty, believe me, plenty of different things that are animated, and you can just do still stuff. Now, there are a lot of limits to this just because, as you can see, it's pixelated. It's like playing an old Mario game on the Nintendo 64. It's going to be very pixelated, like 16-bit pixelated. Yes, but if you're like me, I have my own business. For those who live in the DMV area, I have my own detailing business called Swan Detailing. It's on Instagram, Swan Detailing. Hit me up. So with that being said, I had to throw that plug in. With that being said, I could easily just take the text and scroll it across like that. I could do Swan Detailing and go out and do my regular day stuff. And just have this. I could be out with the kids. I could be out with the family. And somebody's going to see this. Put my Instagram up there. Or just the name of the company. Somebody's like, oh my gosh, where did you get that from? Well, I got it offline. And what is this saying? Swan Detailing. I'm a detailer. Here go my card. Boom. YouTubers. This right here. You just starting off. Put your YouTube on hand or your Instagram. Go out. People are going to see it and they're going to want to follow. Do you know how many times I've seen something like a sticker on a car that has somebody's Instagram or YouTube and I just follow them or at least go look at some of their videos or pictures just to see what it's about because it was on the car. I'm like, oh, you're advertising. Let me see what you about. I've seen something on junkie cars and still watched it or clicked it. So this right here is advertisement. If anything, is advertisement. Or if you just like attention, you want people to talk to you. So that being said, I showed you the outside, I showed you the inside. How does it work? So it runs off a battery, but you need to buy the battery. If you buy it online, it's $200. I'm going to link this down below on their website, and you can see the other option, because they do have a smaller one for children. Why do you want to send your child to school with this? To get in trouble? I don't know. Get a regular backpack. But for those who are that parent, be that parent. Be awesome. I'm saying. But link below. This right here was $200. You can get one for $250, I think, and it comes with the battery already. And it's a battery that you can unplug. Like you just saw, I plugged it up. You can unplug it and plug it up so you can charge it. And then you put it to the side. That's how it works. You don't need to be connected to the wall. And they use a minimum of 10,000 milliamps, because that will give you 5 to 6 hours worth of this going. Just going. Like, do you not understand? 5 or 6 hours of you advertising your YouTube, your business, or something, or just getting attention and be able to talk to people about something. So if you're trying to get people to stop and talk to you, and you want this so you can advertise your business, or say, oh, I make cupcakes, I detail cars, well, I'm a YouTuber. I am a YouTuber. And on Instagram, the great one, DMV, no funny spelling, is in the box below. So this is it. So you can get it online. I think it's $250, but I will link it below because somebody told me the price dropped, but that was during the holiday season, so I don't know if it changed. Now, with that being said, how does it work? How do you use this thing? It's an app. It's called Pix Backpack app. It is right here. I'm going to show you. Right here, and it's very, very simple. Don't mind the glare. Don't get the glare. There we go. And as you can see, I have downloaded a minty of them, and I've have some that I made. And there's plenty of options. You got the store option, and you can get just random pictures that they have made already, or you can get cartoons. Cartoons move. So they have plenty. Then they have widgets. They have one that is for a bicycle. So if you have a bicycle and you're riding it at night, or in DC or the city, Los Angeles, Miami, and you want to have this backpack on, you can do turn signals, or it could just flash so people know you're there. They have a timer, a clock, and they also do game. This is Tetris and Snake. I've used it. It is pretty dope to play with. I recommend it just if you're bored. If you're bored, like, come on now, you can play a video game on your backpack because you're bored. 2020, where are we? All right now, so you can also, for some reason it disconnected, you can also create a picture. I'm going to show you. As soon as it connects, as you can see, it takes its time a little bit, but you know, it's a backpack connected to a Bluetooth. Let's not jump ahead of ourselves. It's not a cell phone. And you can create stuff. So if I go over here, it takes me to something. I can do a smiley face. Boom, smiley face. Now, I can also animate it. So say if I want to put this thing up here and I wanted it to wink at me. So I erase this, go over, do it again, and bring it back, and I put it here. And now it's animated. And I go over to this thing and save it. And I upload it to the backpack. Now, we'll go to the backpack so you can see. It's still uploading, connecting, doing all that. So, the backpack has stopped the demo mode. And now it's winking at me. That was just that simple. Now, if you're more of on the artsy side and you understand this much better, not to say to understand it, because I do understand. I'm not stupid. Crazy, but not stupid. Now, you can easily figure this out and do something amazing with it, because the people that made this backpack made this stuff on here. Because we can go back. How I go back? What am I doing? I'm going to save it. Project name, random. Why? Because I'm going to delete it later. Save it. And we go back. These things, like this heart. Let's upload it. I didn't make this. Somebody at the company made this. They sat down and made the time. They really went in depth. They took their time to do this. And that's frame by frame by frame. Now there's a heart on their backpack. Now, what did I make and I took my time to make? I made this. I am officially a YouTuber. Am I monetized yet? I'm going to get there because you guys are going to start watching my videos because you're going to tell me what you want to see and I'm going to do it and I'm going to be that YouTuber. Not the one that picks random stuff that they got in the mail. Now, if y'all want to send me stuff because you want me to review it or you want to talk about it, send it to me in my email link below. With that being said, look, YouTube. Now, granted, this is not YouTube confirmed. They didn't send this and say, hey, make that. No, I just did it because I was like, I'm putting it on YouTube. So let's put the YouTube up there. Now, also, which is awesome, I can go and put text up there. It's an option for text. So what am I going to put? Let's put my Instagram up there so you guys can remember it. Let's see. What's my Instagram? Anybody? Don't all speak up at once. I know you hear me. Thank you. You get it. The Great One, DMV. And why do I call myself that? Because I strive to be the greatest. Excuse me. The greatest at what I do. And is it easy? No. It's hard work. It's dedication. It's time. Blood, sweat, and tears. What color do I want? Redskins. Yes, I know we had a bad season. 2019 wasn't for us, but we're coming for that Super Bowl ring. Now, I put my Instagram up there. I typed it in. It's up there. Can you imagine? You are a Instagram model. You are a YouTuber. And you have this on your backpack. Yes, that is going pretty fast. But I can slow it down. I can speed it up. It is now advertised for free while you're doing your day-to-day thing. You are out there doing your day-to-day thing, and people are just... Oh, me? Oh, yeah. It's the Great One DMV. And I also have a YouTube that's on the link in the bio. Hit it up. Nah. Oh, yeah. Yeah. See? It's just that easy. It's amazing. Now... put this to the side. Talk about some random stuff inside of it. Now, it has plenty of space in it. You can put stuff in it. I've had all my video equipment, my GoPro, several chargers, the Surface Pro with the keyboard, and my son's toys in there. And then I have an issue. Let's get closer so you guys can understand what I'm talking about. This thing is amazing. It's built to last. It has a good rubberized bottom, not like the one that don't let it slide, but it's good. Now, it has plenty of storage. It has plenty of space, because some of the backpacks that you might have that might be considered like a laptop backpack, they're small. So once you put the laptop in, it's not much space to put much else. So with this, I have a laptop slot, and then there's a slot in the back that I showed you. You saw it. Don't forget. Could put the tablet back there. Then I still have space for other stuff, like equipment, my GoPro with the gimbal, the charger, the battery pack, and I have plenty of a charger. If I have all them electronics, I have to have the charger. And I also had a, what you call them things? Power strip in my backpack with my laptop. So I can literally plug it into one slot and be good to go and charge all that stuff while I'm editing a video. It's just that simple. Now, do I like the backpack? Yes. Out of 10, I'll give it a score. It's, I'll give it a 7.5. Only reason it's not a full 8 is because the app itself did not work on my Samsung Galaxy 10. That's the newest Samsung they got besides the Note. It didn't work. Why not? So the company did reach out to me when I sent them an email, and they told me that they were working on it, had multiple complaints, and they were going to get back to me as soon as possible. I have not heard anything just yet. That was around Christmas, so I think it was like the 28th, and I have not heard anything, and today is January 6th, I believe, so might be wrong. I don't know. I have a child, and he's 10 months. My days are all blurred, but this backpack, it's not. But at the same time, another reason why I gave it 7.5 is because, as you can see, it is pixels on it. If I'm correct, it's 16 by 16. If they've been out for a while, but if they were to go ahead and make an updated one, people would still keep this one because I will have multiple ones. I might give this to like somebody I'm with at the time. Like, oh, we're all going out. Hey, you take this one. I'm going to have it go on here. Then on my other one, I'm going to have something else displayed. But if we can make the pixel smaller, which you can, and start being able to put a bigger image, yes. Plus, the app itself still has something desired. I would like to be able to do text like this and still put the YouTube thing. Because then it has text going off, blinky, blinky, text going off, blinky, blinky. But it doesn't. But the only way I got the app to work is through my tablet. And that was lucky. I just thought about it. I was like, why don't I use the tablet? Because it did not work on my iPod mini. I don't know why. It downloaded, but it did not work. And I don't know what it's about, and I couldn't do nothing about it, but I just tried a different device. So, it is what it is. And I did write a review on the App Store for it. Well, for the App Store for my iPad mini and on the App Store for the Samsung. And I haven't heard anything, and a lot of apps that I do write reviews on, if I complain, they normally do write back. So I don't know what that's about, but I think it's really dope. And if you want one, if you got a business and you want to get that attention while you're out just doing your day-to-day stuff, then yes, get it. It's worth it. It's $200. It lasts for 5 to 6 hours. And you could just be doing your day-to-day stuff. Just throw what you got in it. You ain't got to have YouTube stuff in it. You ain't got to have your business stuff in it. At least your business card. Come on now, y'all. Don't play. But it's advertising. People are going to stop and ask you. Now, if you don't want people to stop and ask you, buy a regular backpack and keep your day going. But if you want information to be out there and get the attention so you can get people to come to you, get this. I'm just saying. Now, with that being said, that was the first video ever on this channel. Average Guy Reviews. Now, if you have anything that you would like for me to review, hit the link down below and you will see my email. Email me. I respond very, very quick because that's the only thing that email will be used for. So when it goes ding, 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 I'm going to check it out. Now, if you're a company that wants to sponsor me, same thing. I'm not going to do anything that I don't use. So it's going to be an honest review because you need that in today's world. See, I kept that in there and I didn't edit it out. I messed up and I kept it in there. I'm going to be honest. So with that being said, peace, love, chicken grease.